Now, today we're going to bring a golf mat. This is a 4x5 golf mat. It has 6 holes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you could twist this around if you want to play the green grass on one end, or you could twist it if you're left hand or right hand. Now, they do give you two types of tee offs, a shorter one and a long one, and they also give you the traditional wooden ones too. Now, two types of balls are included here, but there's actually more balls included. These are the two different types. They're different colors. Yellow, in case you want to play at night and you don't want to lose it, keep an eye on it. White, they're traditional white. Now, they're both for indoors. They're soft. They're for practices. They won't go long distance. So if you're playing in your backyard or anything like that, you don't have to worry about, sending them out to your neighbors or so forth, or breaking anything, because they're very soft. They're for practices. This is for indoors or outdoors. Now, the mat itself is very durable. Easy to fold out and roll out and take it with you on the go. Now, the grass is very durable. If you see, it's like the rough, tough part of the grass is one of the best things I like about it, because this is where you mostly hit the balls and land on it. The lighter side of the grass is where you tee off most of the times, or if you want to practice with it, you could just swing away from either way. Now, the actual mat has a bottom soft rubber end. It's mostly found in these carpets that you have in the gyms for workout. It's very soft cushion, and like I said, it's meant for any indoors or outdoors, especially indoors, especially if you have a hardwood floor. This is perfect for the system. Now, let's take a look at it and put it out to the use and see how well it works. So here we have a mat. I have my net in the back. Like I said, you could use this indoor or outdoor. Grass. Easy. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.